The reason I'm smiling is because I've finally decided which bike I want. The second bike that I want is decided. In probably a matter of a week or so, we will have the new bike. It took me a week of brainstorming. The auction that I won last week complicated things big time, like really big time, because it opened up a budget which I was not initially looking at. But once you cross the 20 lakhs, oh boy, there are tons of bikes and all of them are unique. Like Speed Triple is unique, Rocket is unique, Diavel is unique, even Essos and RR, man. The color of my choice, Nardo Grey with that bronze chassis, that was coming out to be 23 on road. Tons of bikes. Those were never initially on my radar because there are two principles that drive me in terms of a bike ownership. One, if I would like to do full justice to that bike, at least 80-90%, and I want to use it regularly. These are the two basic principles that I always base my purchasing decisions on, be it cars or bikes. So in that sense, about 20 lakhs, there are some extremely lovely bikes. Like, so a lot of you wanted me to take the Rocket. I love that bike. I had some apprehensions about the weight and how it is to handle within the city and all that, but it is manageable. That is a minor problem. And I also wanted to try something besides Triumph and maybe even BMW because I've already used them. I wanted a new brand. So I think that's Aditya. Overaction Sala. Emra. विंडो दी ఏం రా ఎవడి పేరు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు I actually met this idiot today morning. We had some work, so we are working on the coffee thing, Aromale coffee. So sometime this year we will have something coming up. It might not be accessible to everyone. Eventually that will happen, but initially we're doing it in a different concept. So we'll keep you guys posted. It will be mostly like how the truck used to be in Knowledge City. We're working on those lines. So let's see. Anyway, coming to the bike, I tried to make the choices simpler, but in the last video, if you have seen it fully, if you haven't, go check it out. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. If you remember in the last video, Chaitanya said he'll help me eliminate choices. So let's go actually meet him and see how much he helped me eliminate the choices of bikes that I have. Okay? So whenever you visit Chaitanya's place, you get some work. Look what he is getting.
What's up, buddy?
Sir, your Swiggy delivery is here, sir.
Oh, thank you, Amma.
Bill, sir. Hey.
ఇద్దరు డ్రైవర్లు పంపిస్తున్నారు ఈ మధ్య స్విగ్గీ. ఇట్స్ వెరీ షార్ప్.
వాడి ప్యాకెట్ కూడా. Hey, come here.
సార్ నేను ఓన్లీ డ్రైవర్ సార్.
అరే వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడురా.
Hey, what's up, guys?
ఏం లేవుగా.
You missed it.
మళ్ళీ
నేను
కమ్మా
సిగ్గు
బాగా ఎక్కువైంది.
ఆడు
PS5 రేస్ చలో.
You are on top.
We are here to race. My concern is this fellow. ఏం తింటావురా? కెమెరా డెడ్ క్యాట్ ఇది. నీ క్యాట్ వేరేది ఉంది బయట.
స్మార్ట్ బ్రో. ఏం తాగుతున్నారా ఫ్యాన్సీ షిట్?
నాన్ ఆల్కహాలిక్ రమ్ అండ్ కోలా. నాన్ ఆల్కహాలిక్
అంటే ట్రై చేద్దామని తీసుకున్నాను. ఇంకా ట్రై చేయలేదు.
హాయ్ రాజీవ్.
హాయ్ మ్యాన్.
ఐటీ కదా? ఐటీ ఇంకో అతను కదా ఐటీ. ఓ ఎస్ సారీ ఐఎమ్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ యూ విత్ ఎప్పుడు కలిసాను.
సారీ సార్ టేక్ 2
బ్రీఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ 3 seconds.
3 seconds of brief ఇవ్వరా? 3 seconds అమౌంట్ మార్చి వస్తుంది.
3 seconds లో చేసి చూద్దాం. నువ్వు ఏమంటావు?
ఐ గురు క్రేజీ యూట్యూబర్ డన్. ఫసాక్
అంటే ఎంబే కదా?
పొటెన్షియల్ క్లయింట్ తో నువ్వు ఎట్లా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు చూస్తున్నా.
చెప్పండి రా. చెప్పండి.
I myself Aditya, architect. Please hire me.
Used by everybody.
Oh sorry, we're diverting.
SMR Vinay
అంటే I don't know what is there.
How do you know this guy? How do you know him?
I know him
Make us close 47
yeah, also similar interests. Pranav's been my friend for like since 2010.
A lot of drivers and
I love it.
Pranav's your friend originally.
Yeah, since
through
like
Pranav
2010. Yeah, and then through Pranav I met Chai.
So you regret that?
No.
Basically all my cool friends are through Pranav.
That means you are not.
వాడికి 3 seconds పడుతుంది రా అంటే
Edit, cut,
అర్థం
edit.
చేసుకోవడానికి 3 seconds పడుతుంది వాడికి.
ग्राचारम बहुत
అరే, వాడే కాదు నువ్వు ఉన్నావురా హౌలే.
Hello. Oh, by the way, thanks for helping me eliminate my bike choices, bro.
అరే థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ ఫైనలీ డిసైడింగ్ రా. రోజు మాట్లాడుతున్నా నేను చచ్చిపోతున్నా.
యూజ్ యర్ ఎంబీఏ రా ఎంత అయింది ఎంబీఏకి
Roughly ఒక 50 plus అయింది.
50+ దాంట్లో ఇప్పుడు ఇది మైనస్ చేస్తావా బైక్ కాస్ట్ ప్లస్ చేస్తావా
ఏ 50 నేను సంపాదించేసాను.
వాడు ఎక్కడెక్కడ వాడింది తెలుసా నీకు ఎంబీఏ? ల్యాప్టాప్, ఐప్యాడ్, ఫోన్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి.
అంటే మిగతా వాడని చెప్పం కదా bro. So the bike choice is made, but you guys have to wait till probably a week.
సో ఏమని చెప్తున్నావు? వాట్ వాజ్ ద షార్ట్ లిస్ట్?
Shortlist is same.
Bike
Rocket GT, R90 and Scrambler 1100.
ఆ రేటింగ్ కూడా చూసావు కదా బ్రో
S1000 RR కూడా చూసా bro.
మళ్ళీ అంతే కదా
Hey, if the speed twin was there, I would have taken it.
I'll tell you now 11 lakhs take it
కొన్నదే 8 కి 11 కమ్ముతావా?
I will not reveal how much I bought for
నేను చెప్తా.
you are guessing
No, but the choice is made. You have to wait for it.
అడుగుతా కామెంట్స్ లో ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్.
No, నీకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి కొంచెం యాక్టింగ్ చేయాలేమో. వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ ఐ విల్ టేక్?
అరే ఐ విష్ ఐ హ్యాడ్ ఎంబీఏ. ఐ హ్యావ్ నో క్లూ. మా మాస్టర్స్ కి ఏదో
All these real estate people making fun of MBS, man.
ఎందుకురా మీలాంటి వాళ్ళ మీద ఆధారపడుతుంటారా? యువర్ ద బయస్.
Last night we were just chilling, watching Formula 1 race at Chaitanya's place. Had some food like from Domino's and all. It was a good race. If you watch the race, comment below who's your favorite driver. My favorite is always Ferrari because I grew up watching them. And in the current lineup, CLC, Leclerc is my favorite. And then Sainz. I'm looking forward to see Sainz actually get on the podium. Just waiting for my morning cup of coffee. This high-tech city McDonald's drive-thru is so convenient. I don't need to step out of the car, just have my coffee and go do my work. Anyway, as discussed last night, I've decided on the bike. So I'm heading out to the showroom to make the booking and also finalize few details.
300.
Thank you, man. So I'm still thinking whether to reveal you guys the bike or not because I don't want it to be too much of a surprise because I know there were other premium options that I considered, but I think I've finalized to a bike which is more realistic, more practical in terms of my needs and expectations. The mind and the heart both goes different ways sometimes. So you need to balance that mind and heart decision, and I think it's just not that the final choice that I made is not entirely mine. There is some heart associated to it, but that will come out only when we ride and when you see me riding on the GoPro. Okay? Anyway, let me just get my shot of coffee and we'll catch you guys on the road. Perfect for a morning coffee. That small extra shot works well. And if you can see the inclination here, but it's quite steep. And I have my foot on the brake pedal. I'm gonna show you how the hill assist works. There is a hill assist, but it's not a hill hold control. It'll roll back slightly, but after that the car moves on its own uphill. I'm releasing the brake. You'll notice the car going back. I'm not holding any accelerator and the car comes up. Hill assist works. Initially a lot of complaints that hill assist is not working and all, but it does work. It's just that there is a small fraction of a second where it goes back. You need to get that in. You need to keep that in mind and accelerate accordingly. Looks like we have a vehicle here already by a Triumph. Unfortunately, I think the dealership is closed, but I think we have some new vehicles coming up here. The reason I'm out is I wanted to talk and finalize all the deals and something, but you can do this on phone also. So I spoke to some people at Triumph, I spoke to some people at BMW, and now I'm heading to the Ducati showroom because that's the only one that's open now. The bike can be any of these three, guys. It can be in the truck, or it can be at the Ducati showroom, or it can be at a BMW. We don't know. I know, but you have to guess and let me know what the bike is. Surprise, surprise. So these are some of the bikes that are already there in the showroom. This is the Scrambler 1100 that I would be interested in, but the one that I would get would have, this would be entirely matte black. This is this color, so we can always wrap these up. These are aluminum, so you can always remove these and wrap them up, including these exhaust covers. But look what we have here. This attracted my eye. Panigale V2. This is the 959 replacement. Only thing with this is light, but the riding posture is very aggressive. This bike needs some PDI and some petrol also to start it up, so maybe some other time. But looks beautiful like all Ducatis. But it's just that this is a very aggressive bike for my riding style. As you saw, that's a BMW show. I'm not gonna go inside because all the discussions with Sundar that there at BMW are over. It's just a matter of whether me going ahead with the booking or not. But I've decided on the bike, and the booking will be done by end of day today, 5 p.m. because I want to close it for good. I want to close this confusion for good for all of us. And in that sense, the decision is made. Done. The bike is booked. Now it's just a matter of waiting when we get the bike. Transferring money is so easy, but getting it or earning it is so hard, man. Eagerly excited. We might get it in less than a week's time. And next thing would be to send this confirmation across to the dealership and go ahead with the other formalities. Now the only thing left is waiting and tell my family that I booked the bike. The process after booking a bike is the expectation or the wait that you have in terms of when you're gonna get it. I have a rough idea, but I'm still getting all the finances ready. I'm still contemplating whether to get a loan for the small portion even though I have the funds, because the returns I get out of the stock markets or investments are much higher. So net I might make little money, maybe not so much, but at least it'll be easy on the pocket. But I already started all the accessories and mods. What kind of helmets do I need to get? A lot of stuff, man. But I think it's slowly taking a shape which I want it to. If you have come this far enough, I've been talking about the bike all throughout the video and not telling you any details about it. Please have some patience till maybe 1 or 2 videos, by which we'll have the delivery video, and we are gonna try to keep it simple so that it's just me and my wife who will take the delivery. We won't have the hangama of all my gang, but we might end up catching up at a cafe. So looking forward to it, and I hope you're also. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. See you soon, maybe for the delivery video. Okay.